You are welcome to Nature Nurture Hub, where your love for plants grows into a thriving garden of knowledge and beauty. Imagine stepping outside into your garden early in the morning, sunlight just beginning to warm the soil, and seeing rows of vibrant leaves glowing with shades of green, red, yellow, and orange. That colorful plant swaying gently in the breeze is Swiss chard, one of the most beautiful and rewarding vegetables you can grow at home. Many beginners dream of growing their own vegetables, but often feel overwhelmed about where to start. The truth is that some plants are far more forgiving than others, and Swiss chard is one of those generous crops that rewards even the newest gardener with steady harvests and vibrant growth. Swiss chard is loved not only for its flavor, but also for its incredible resilience. Unlike many delicate vegetables that struggle with changing temperatures, Swiss chard adapts well to a wide range of conditions. For gardeners across the United States, this means the plant can thrive in backyard gardens, raised beds, containers, and even small balcony planters. When grown properly, Swiss chard produces lush leaves for months, offering continuous harvests for fresh meals. When you begin growing Swiss chard, the journey starts with understanding the plant itself. Swiss chard belongs to the beet family, but unlike beets that grow underground roots, Swiss chard focuses its energy on producing large, nutritious leaves and colorful stems. These stems can appear in vibrant shades of crimson, golden yellow, bright orange, and even pink, turning any vegetable garden into a living display of color. For beginner gardeners, the first step is choosing the right place to grow Swiss chard. This plant enjoys sunlight, but it is surprisingly flexible when it comes to light conditions. Ideally, Swiss chard should receive about 6 to 8 hours of sunlight per day. Morning sunlight is especially beneficial because it helps plants begin their day with strong photosynthesis while avoiding extreme afternoon heat in warmer regions. In many parts of the United States, summers can become quite hot, and while Swiss chard tolerates warmth better than many leafy greens, extremely intense heat can slow its growth. In these situations, a little afternoon shade can help maintain healthy leaves and prevent stress. Gardeners often plant Swiss chard near taller plants or structures that provide light filtering shade during the hottest hours of the day. Temperature also plays an important role in successful Swiss chard cultivation. The plant thrives best in temperatures between 55 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. These mild conditions allow the plant to focus its energy on producing lush foliage rather than rushing into seed production. However, Swiss chard is known for its impressive resilience and can survive both cooler spring temperatures and moderate summer heat. Before planting Swiss chard, preparing the soil carefully will set the stage for strong growth. Swiss chard prefers soil that is loose, well-draining, and rich in organic matter. Healthy soil allows roots to expand easily and absorb nutrients efficiently. Many gardeners improve their soil by mixing in compost or aged organic material before planting. This simple step provides natural nutrients while improving soil texture. Planting Swiss chard seeds is a surprisingly simple process. The seeds are slightly larger than many leafy green seeds, making them easy to handle. They can be sown directly into the soil once the danger of heavy frost has passed. Seeds are usually planted about half an inch deep and spaced several inches apart to give seedlings room to grow. After planting, the soil should be watered gently to keep it moist without washing away the seeds. Within a week or two, small seedlings begin to emerge, bringing a sense of excitement to the gardener. These early leaves may look tiny and delicate, but they quickly develop into strong plants when given consistent care. One of the most important aspects of growing Swiss chard successfully is establishing the right watering routine. Swiss chard prefers steady moisture in the soil because the plant focuses on producing large leafy growth. It needs consistent hydration to maintain crisp leaves and healthy stems. However, balance is key. Overwatering can lead to soggy soil, which prevents roots from breathing properly and may cause root problems. The goal is to maintain soil that feels moist but never muddy. Many gardeners find it helpful to water deeply once or twice per week rather than giving frequent shallow watering. Deep watering encourages roots to grow downward into the soil, creating stronger plants that can tolerate occasional dry periods. Checking the soil with your finger is an easy way to determine when watering is needed. If the top inch of soil feels dry, it is usually time to water again. As Swiss chard grows larger, the plant benefits from occasional feeding. Fertilizing supports strong leaf production and vibrant color. Organic fertilizers or compost are excellent choices because they release nutrients slowly and naturally. A balanced vegetable fertilizer can also be used sparingly to boost growth during the growing season. Pruning and harvesting Swiss chard is one of the most enjoyable parts of the growing process. Unlike vegetables that must be harvested all at once, Swiss chard offers continuous production through a method called cut and come again harvesting. Instead of removing the entire plant, gardeners simply harvest the outer leaves while allowing the inner leaves to continue growing. This technique encourages the plant to keep producing new foliage, often providing harvests for many weeks or even months. The best time to harvest leaves is when they are young and tender, though larger leaves remain edible and flavorful as well. While Swiss chard is generally easy to grow, beginner gardeners may occasionally encounter small challenges. One common issue is leaf damage caused by pests such as aphids or leaf miners. These tiny insects feed on plant tissues, leaving behind small marks or tunnels in the leaves. Fortunately, these pests are usually easy to manage using simple natural methods. Spraying plants with water can remove many insects, while encouraging beneficial insects such as ladybugs helps maintain natural balance in the garden ecosystem. Another challenge some gardeners experience is yellowing leaves. This can occur when soil lacks nutrients or when plants receive inconsistent watering. Ensuring steady moisture and adding organic fertilizer usually restores healthy leaf color quickly. In warmer climates, Swiss chard may eventually begin producing a tall flower stalk, a process known as bolting. When this happens, the plant shifts its energy from leaf production to seed development. Although the leaves remain edible, they may develop a slightly stronger flavor. Harvesting regularly and providing shade during extreme heat can help delay bolting. Despite these occasional issues, Swiss chard remains one of the most forgiving vegetables available to beginners. Its ability to adapt to different environments makes it a dependable addition to nearly any garden. As the weeks pass and plants mature, the garden begins to transform. Rows of Swiss chard create a vibrant landscape filled with colorful stems and lush green leaves. The visual beauty alone makes the plant worth growing, but the real reward comes at harvest time. Freshly harvested Swiss chard has a crisp texture and mild earthy flavor that works beautifully in salads, sautés, soups, and smoothies. Because the leaves are harvested directly from the garden, they retain maximum freshness and nutrition. For many gardeners, growing Swiss chard becomes more than just a gardening project. It becomes a daily ritual of observation and care. Watching plants respond to sunlight, water, and nurturing attention brings a sense of connection with the natural world. Gardening also encourages healthier eating habits. When fresh greens are growing just steps away from the kitchen, it becomes easier to prepare nutritious meals and experiment with new recipes. Perhaps the most inspiring part of growing Swiss chard is realizing how simple the process truly is. A handful of seeds, a patch of soil, and a little patience can transform into months of fresh harvests. For beginners across the United States who want to start their gardening journey, Swiss chard offers the perfect introduction. It teaches the essential lessons of gardening while rewarding even small efforts with beautiful results. Every garden begins with a single plant, and sometimes that plant is Swiss chard. If you love learning about seasonal flowering plants, gardening tips, and nature care, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nature Nurture. Hub your home for year-round garden inspiration. Let's keep growing together.